Hello friends. Well, I have just received this in the post. It is freshly published, hot off the press. It's Poetic Woods Experimental Watercolour and Collage by Ann Blockley, published by Batsford Press, and it is, how much is it? It's in the it's UK £25, and in America it's $34.95, and in Canada it's $47. And it looks amazing. I love Ann Blockley. I've actually got this book by her, and she works in a very intuitive and expressive way with her watercolours, and she uses things like salt and all these other techniques which I like to use as well. So look at that, look at that, isn't that gorgeous? I think that's salt there, but she works in such a wonderful way, and her paintings are gorgeous, and they are just what I like to do. It's the way I like to work with watercolours, free and loose, intuitive, and using lots of texture and things. So this book is about the woods. Now, I have difficulty painting trees en masse. I can paint one tree, I can paint a few trees in the landscape, but I have difficulty doing the woods. And I live by a forest, and ever since I've been living here, I've been wanting to paint the forest, but I've struggled. So I'm hoping I will be able to overcome that block with this book. And I'm not going to show the entire book because I think you shouldn't do that, especially as it's brand new. But I'll show you one or two pictures. I'll look at that with honeysuckle. Look at the light through the trees. That's amazing. Look at those colours. I love that. Oh, that's so nice. That's going to be so helpful for me. I'm just quickly showing you one or two pages. Isn't that fantastic? That's using cling film, I do believe. That's another method she uses. I'm not too keen on it. Oh, look at the light in that. Amazing, and the colours. She also uses collage. I'll see if I can find a collagey page. Can't find a collage page. I did earlier when I looked. But yes, it's going to be fun. I'm going to do a full video in my next one where I'm going to actually be have a go at one of these paintings. See how I get on. See if I can master the woods at last. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I know this channel has been a bit quiet lately. I haven't been able to do many watercolours, or well, I haven't been able to record many watercolour videos. I do still play with my watercolours, and yes, I will be doing that in one of these paintings in my next video. So please subscribe, and I'll see you soon.